Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to create and run a manufacturing order in the production planning module. Open production planning and go to manufacturing order. To create one, click Create. Start by selecting the product group and the item you want to manufacture, then enter the quantity to produce. The start and finish will be auto-fetched by the system. Next, choose the bill of materials for this product. If more than one version exists, OEMup shows each option with its routing and approximate cost, so you can pick the right one. As soon as you select it, OEMup expands the full recipe, every component, every subassembly, and every operation needed to build the product. OEMup also checks your stock for you. In the shortage list, you can see each required item, how much is in stock, and any shortage. For anything that's short, you can auto-create suborders or raise an indent to procure it right from this screen. When everything looks right, save the order. Your manufacturing order is created with its own number and a status of planned. It opens with the full details: product, quantity, assigned worker, planned start and finish, and its site. You can see the cost breakdown table, and below that, you'll find the parts, the components drawn straight from the bill of materials. If a part is short, you have options. You can create a stock lot on the spot to record inward or found goods, and then book it. You can also add an additional product that isn't on the bill of materials. To book an extra item, click Add Additional Product. Additional products are items that aren't part of the original bill of materials. Then choose any item you want, select its lot, and book it. Now, book the required quantities from your available stock lots, first in, first out. To book a single line yourself, click the plus button beside the item. You can undo a booking anytime with the reverse button on an individual item, or release everything at once with Release All Booked Parts. With materials booked, you are ready to produce. Click Go to Production, and you can now consume the quantity, a single line or all of them. Releasing the order moves it from planned to released, and its operations appear on the production schedule. Set the actual start time, then consume the booked materials. OEMup confirms once every booked quantity has been consumed. Now work through the operations. Each step runs on its assigned workstation with its assigned worker. As an operation finishes, record the actual finish time, along with the past and rejected quantities. OEMup checks your entries. Past plus rejected can't exceed the quantity carried from the previous step, so your numbers always stay consistent. When production is complete, OEMup creates a production receipt showing what was produced, approved, and rejected. Submit it for inspection, then approve or reject the output to close the quality loop. Once approved, the manufacturing order is complete. Your finished goods are produced, fully costed, and ready. And you can download the manufacturing order as a PDF for the shop floor at any time. That's how you create and run a manufacturing order in OEMup.